According to the American Hair Loss Association, 40% of women live with hair loss. I'm ILIANA GUEVARA in Beverly Hills, where women gain their confidence thanks to the Wig Fairy salon.
And like, watch this. It comes off. You can see if you like it. And then you just go and...
Mona, also known as the Wig Fairy, is showing Shelby how to style her hair. Shelby just got a new job at a restaurant and wants help finding ways to keep her hair in place.
I remember my mom brushing my hair, trying to put my hair up in a ponytail, and her starting to cry, that kind of stuff, and not understanding, and then going to the doctor and they're telling you, yes, you have alopecia. What is it?
Shelby was only 7. According to the National Alopecia Areata Foundation, it is a common autoimmune skin disease causing hair loss on the scalp, face, and other areas of the body. And it can be absolutely devastating for self-image and emotional well-being.
In 8th grade, I was put into my first wig and went to many different wig shops from there, and then at the age of 19 to 20, I ended up with Mona.
But finding the perfect wig is a stress in itself. In Shelby's case, she has both synthetic and human hair wigs. Cost is a major factor. She also has to think about what kind of wig she's wearing when she's doing certain tasks.
I've had to pull my wig off before I open the oven at Thanksgiving. And so the human hair, you don't have to do that. You can do whatever you want. You can go to the beach, you can go to different places, amusement parks, and not have to worry about it because most of the time they're going to stay on.
Often societal norms can make a woman feel like she must suffer in silence. And that is why Mona wants to make the life of someone going through hair loss a little easier.
Our salon is more like a safe place for them, and I love the fact that they could come here and be like, oh, Mona is there, you know, and she's just gonna joke about it, and like, and I you know, I always say the hairstylist is the therapist, so I'm like beyond that.
And to Shelby, Mona has become a true friend.
You find those people. I mean, Mona's shop is one of those places that you find people like you to make you feel like you're not alone. It's okay, you're not different, you're perfect just the way you are, unique for a reason, you know.
Shelby can always feel normal thanks to Mona, who's helping her gain her confidence one strand at a time.